Hi, it's Sunny, and I wanted to come on today to share with you a friend mail. A friend mail that I was sent from one of my lovely subscribers, Sally, who I regularly chat to, and she sent me this, and I was kind of blown away just by how kind she is and everything that is in it. So I'll give you a quick peek. A quick sneak peek, and then I'll go through the items one by one. So Sally had a YouTube channel. What I would usually say is kind of go over and subscribe, but she doesn't. But she's a really loyal subscriber, and she's been with me for ages. So I really appreciate this. It came in, was it last weekend, and I had been feeling awful. So I did open it and have a wee look through, but I thought I would come on and film it just to show you what she sent me. And she did say to me, I know you're doing your year of less, will that kind of affect that? And I was like, it's fine, honestly. The concern for me in my year of less is just what I buy. And February was not a good month, but I will do an update on that. So first of all, I know that I love rose. Sally doesn't. So she sent me this, which smells absolutely gorgeous. The Nivea Rose and Argan Oil, oil and lotion, indulging rose scent in fast absorbing lotion for normal to dry skin. So what's good about that is it's got the pump, so it's easy just to kind of put it on without having to open jars and kind of what have you. So I'll pop that in the bathroom. I will definitely be using that. I do like Nivea. It smells amazing, and this is something that I loved when I tried it. It's the Umberto Giannini colour, their Flowerology Foaming Orange Rosemary Volume Mousse. I really enjoyed that when I used that, so I'm delighted to have that. I am a big fan of mousse. Scrunch it in my hair and then off I go. She's also popped in a Sarah Chapman London Skinesis Platinum Stem Cell Eye Mask. Now I'm probably going to use that tonight, so I was supposed to be on annual leave all of this week, depending when I pop this video up, but it's ended up working Monday, supposed to be off Tuesday, but ended up working till 1. So hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, Friday stay clear. So I'll probably use that tonight just to kind of sit and chill. She's also popped this in, which I've never tried before. It's VO5, right? True Curls Overnight Curl Cream. I am dying to try this. So it's Wake Up with Curl Control Anti-Frizz Formulation, Long Lasting Effect. Perfect for curly hair. Now if you've ever tried that, let me know. I've never tried this. So you apply it to your towel dried hair. So I always have my shower at night. Section your hair and squeeze a small amount onto the palm of your hand. Use your fingertips to distribute through each section, avoiding the roots. Wrap your hair into a loose bun, twisting the hair together in the direction of your natural curls, and hold in position with bobby pins or a loose hair tie. In the morning, undo your hair and tease curls into place. So I might actually try that tonight. I'll let you know how I get on. I've never seen it before. It does say new, but I have never seen that before. There is a palette here as well. So it's a Douce. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. This brand is fantastic. Look, I love the packaging. And inside, look at the colours. Now these are definitely my colours. I'll do a quick wee swatch. Those are, there we go. So those are definitely colours that I would use every day. It's gorgeous. They actually move about in the palette. Oh right. Oh, it's a magnetic palette. I've never had one of those before, so when those colours run out, I'm imagining you could put other ones in there. So, looking forward to trying that. I'll definitely be using it this week. It's a custom palette. It's a quad, highly pigmented and customisable magnetic-based eyeshadow system that gives you the ability to discover your individuality. With 100 ready-to-wear colours that come in both matte and shimmer, you can build the perfect magnetic palette and then change it whenever to complement your evolving style. So what I like about the idea of that is if you've got a colour that you use all the time and you don't use the other colours, you might be tempted to say, I'll just get rid of the palette, but you can kind of just buy the one colour and top it up. I like that idea. I've never owned a magnetic palette. Sukint, this is a brand that I really do like. Get this quite a lot in Holland and Barrett. It's facial moisturiser and it's paraben free. So that's Australian as well, and it's natural. So I've had the Holland and Barrett advent calendar. I didn't get it last year, but, or did I? No, I don't think I did. But I got the couple of years before that, really liked it. This is another brand I like as well. So this is Nails Yard, and it's Nails Yard Remedies, and it's their rejuvenating frankincense hydrating cream. So it says 24-hour moistures and smooths for all skin types. I really do like that brand, and she's taped it together so it doesn't come out. But knowing me, I'm gonna have a good sniff. Oh, that smells lovely. It looks like quite a thick moisturiser as well. Looking forward to trying that. What do we have next? Oh, Ofra. I've seen this brand before. I don't think I own any. It's a highlighter, liquid to baked formula, creates show-stopping pigments that melt into skin. Or I think I might have one. But it's a good brand. I'm always kind of excited to try different brands. Ofra highlighter of all the lights. That packaging's lovely, isn't it? Oh, look, that's so pretty. Now it's got a mirror, so I'm going to hold it up and down. I'll cover the mirror is what I mean, not hold it up and down. But look at all those shades. Oh, that's beautiful, Sally. I'll just put them on the back of my hand there. They are absolutely stunning. Can't wait to try them. And it's got a magnetic clip. I'm a sado, I love a magnetic clip. What do we have next? Ooh, it's a fair wee bundle here as well. Disciple Good Skin, and this is a lightweight yet nourishing blend of something. Plant extracts to balance and brighten skin. So you put 3 to 4 drops on cleansed face. There we go. I've never tried that brand before, Disciple, but I do like the packaging. And this is one of my favourites, and I spotted it straight away. Pry Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. I love this stuff. I might need to actually invest in a full jar one day. You know, the big size jar, but I love this stuff. You put it on your neck and down here, and it's brilliant. Absolutely love it. Now there's a facial cleanser here by a brand called Clar Lemongrass and Sheum, and it says Grum. It's probably Groom because of the little 2 bits there, or probably just like really kind of got that wrong the way I've said that. So freshen up festive style with our rich and creamy facial cleansing bar, naturally cleansing, toning and moisturising for a radiant complexion with zero plastic packaging. I have been using cleansing bars for a while, and I've had one on the go in the shower for ages. They're fantastic, and you know, cardboard's easier to recycle than plastic as well. Oh, it smells amazing. That'll be the lemongrass. I have a candle that Steve got one time from John Lewis, and it smells amazing, but we've never burnt it because it smells so nice. That's what it reminds me of, the lemongrass. It smells amazing. And it's got the shea in it as well, so it'll be nice and nourishing for the skin. It's a proper treat in here. She's kind of covered everything. And oh my god, Espa. But now this is an amazing brand. I think it's Lynn All Things Beauty that loves this brand as well. Espa, so Optimum Skin Pro Serum for natural beauty, inner calm. I love serums. I use serums every day, morning and night. Now sometimes you can actually double up as well. So if you're putting, say you're putting a hyaluronic acid on and you then want to put another serum on, you can layer up. I'm not going to tell you what ones you can layer up with because somebody will probably come on and say that's a load of crap. But I do layer up. But this Espa one is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And you press the button and it goes. I love things like that. There we go. So I pop that in my bathroom. I've actually needed to add a new serum in, so I'm glad. Now, I have just finished a little sample that I had of this L'Occitane Immortal Reset. So it's the serum. The one I had was the night one, but I really like this stuff. It's really expensive as well, but that wee serum will last a while. So excited to have that in there to try that. And there's a little more Laura Mercier, and it's ginger blush. I don't own a Laura Mercier blush. Oh, look at the colour of that. Oh, that's beautiful. You see it there? Oh, that is stunning. Put on a bit more, that's gorgeous. And there's 2 more items here. So this is a brand that I really like. It's This Works. So this is Stress Check Kind Hands. So it's soothing hand cream for dry, overwashed hands. I've not had the hand cream, but I do have the hand kind of gel, and the pillow sprays and things from this brand. I really like it. It's vegan as well and cruelty free. And there's another, This Works. I love this stuff. Sally, I don't know, you couldn't have put this in at a better time. So it's a Stress Check Mood Manager, and I had a little kind of sample and I've finished it. So you just spray it on. I just actually spray it on my kind of pulse points. So it says here, motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. It says chill out. I love the smell of this stuff. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to spray it in the lid. I don't know what the scent is, but it's gorgeous. It just makes me feel calm just smelling it. I'm probably spraying this on myself and it's for your pillows or something. Oh, that smells gorgeous. So I'll give you a quick recap, right? Honestly, I was blown away. She did say she was going to send me something, and then this arrived and I was like, oh my god. And as I said, last weekend when it arrived, I kind of, the weekend was written off. I don't know what was wrong with me. Backache, stomachache, nausea, headache, and I thought it's either a bug or I've started with HRT, and it could be the HRT, so I took the patch off just in case. I will go back on it again and see, but I wanted to start the cycle from, so I'm on Sequi, which gives you the 2 different patches. One's estrogen, one's progesterone, I think. So I wanted to start it again the next cycle and see if it had the same impact when I go into the second lot of patches. If it does, then I know that it's disagreeing with me a little bit. So it wiped me out, whatever it was last weekend. So Nivea Rose and Argan Oil, the Umberto Giannini, the hair mousse, that stuff's gorgeous. Chill out. I need to chill out. On a day off and I'm working. I had a couple of meetings to do, to be fair, but I just caught up and then took another call. VO5 True Curls Overnight Curl. I'm going to try that. I'll probably try that tonight. Because I always have to put my hair under the tap or the shower, even if I've had a shower at night, because my hair just, I can't just spray it anymore. The Espa Serum, one of my all-time favourites, Surprise. The Nail Shard, I love this brand. It's so expensive as well, and that's a full-size tub. It's kind of like 50 grams there. That is a big jar. That's not cheap. The Sukin Facial Moisturiser. The Stress Check Kind Hands. I might actually keep that in my office here. The Disciple Good Skin. The L'Occitane. This stuff is just so luxurious. The Duce or Duce or however I'm pronouncing it. Magnetic Palette. The Ofra Highlighter. Reminder of the colours, that was beautiful. The Laura Mercier Blush. One of the best smelling facial cleansers I've ever had. The Lemongrass and Shea. And last but not least, the Sarah Chapman London Skinesis Eye Mask. That brand is so expensive as well. When you go to look them up, not that I looked that one up, but I did have a Sarah Chapman mask that I think I got from Lynn, All Things Beauty. And I kind of thought, oh, I really like this. And I had a look and I thought, no, I'll just need to stick to Superdrug. So thank you so much, Sally. I just wanted to do this wee video just to thank you for sending this through. Honestly, your friendship and everything means the world to me. And she's so supportive and this is amazing. But yes, I will add it to my year of less, but I have added a column for anything that I have been given. So things like birthdays, Mother's Day, whatever, if I get anything there, I can pop it in the gifted so that I know it's not something that I've gone out and bought. But my spending has been awful in February, but you'll see that in my update. I'm not going to lie, March is a new month. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.